Hello everyone and welcome back to a new tech. Today we're going to show you how to connect your M5, or how you want to call it, the fake Xiaomi watch with WearFit 2.0 and Android. As you can see, we already downloaded the app. Let's go ahead and click it. As you can see, you can log in, you can register or third-party login. We're going to enter it directly without an account, and we are not going to fill up this information correctly, but you have to fill up these information for your personal, so you get more accurate data. As you can see, we have 3 pages. The third page we have here connection management. We have to search it. The Bluetooth is turning on, and as you can see, we have the Hey Plus, but this is not the watch that we are looking for. So let's search again. As you can see, in the second search we got the M5. Let's click it and wait until it's connected. You can see now that it's connected. It says connected in the phone first, and we have the time synchronized and also the logo of connection in the watch. So now that we connected, we have the app ready to be used. Let's go ahead. In the first page you can see the steps that we did. We can change the date. We have the statistic here. We have total distance. You can see now at the sleep we have no data, but we can see awake time, deep sleep and light sleep. We have heart rate data as well, the highest and lowest, the statistic, so we know our heart rate. We have blood pressure as well, blood oxygen same, the highest and lowest. Also we have fatigue, and we have the report for a whole week, starting from steps and sleep and all that we saw. In the second page you can see health check. This require an account, which we don't have any of them right now. We have exercise COVID-19, which you can read about, and we have a couple of other information as well. So if you are interested, go ahead and check them out. Here, as I said in the beginning, you have your personal information like age, height, weight and other stuff, which are very important for your data. So please fill these up with your personal information very carefully. We have here the management for your connection, find bracelet, photograph. We have connection management to connect when we saw. You can see the percentage of battery. We have a couple of settings, 12 hours of settings. We have Google Fit and a couple of other things. At the end we have quit. We have here feedback and edition checking. So this is the WearFit 2.0 with the M5 smartwatch. So guys, this was all for today's video. Thank you very much for your time and support. Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video with another smartwatch.